Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a fun toy which you can play with 2 players. I guess it's a Japanese toy, but yeah, it's just easy to make and fun to play. Make sure your lumber is in the exact dimensions, so it will take a while to plane it down and cut it down. You know the process. For the frame I'm just using pine wood because this is lighter wood than beech. Now that all my wood is in the right thickness and width, I can cut it to length on the miter saw. Sand the board smooth, and once again, this sander is not sponsored, but it's great because all the dust gets in the tube. Now let's cut the body parts for the wooden puppets out of a dowel. Sand the end of the dowel smooth. Now we can drill all the holes in the puppet which are necessary for the string to go through. Let's round over all the edges of the little dowels. And I'm upcycling the dowel, so I will sand away the paint. To assemble the frame, I will drill some holes for the screws to go through. Now I can assemble everything with some screws. Round over the edges of all the slats. You'll see that I needed to disassemble it because, yeah, I didn't think about it. I wouldn't be able to reach the middle edges of the slats. Let's make a little sword for the puppets so they can fight. Now it's time to oil, and of course I'm using Rubio Monocoat Oils. Once you are ready with oiling, you can start fighting with your puppets. I'll see you in one of my other videos. Bye!